The if statement. The if statement's syntax includes the comparison tested that determines which code to run next. The colon at the end of the statement delimits the if statement from the true results. The indents let Python know what's coming next. The indentation level of your statement is significant in Python. Do not mix tabs and spaces. Use one or the other. Here the programmer will place the lines of code to run if the condition is true. The else line provides for an alternative set of code to run if the condition is false. The colon at the end of the else statement delimits the else statement from the false results. Here the programmer will place the line of code to run if the condition is false. The comparison expression operators are written as follows in Python. Less than, greater than. Less than or equal to is the less than sign followed by the equal sign. Greater than or equal to is the greater than sign followed by the equal sign. Equals is the equal sign twice. Not equal to is an exclamation point followed by an equal sign. All double symbols are used without spaces between them. Lastly, you can create compound condition using the logical operators and or. In this statement block, the compound condition with an and also can use an or.